This high efficiency small space garden is for me to save time, save money, and work smarter, not harder. Welcome back to my high efficiency small space garden. In this video, guys, I am going to show you how we can all retain water in our stackable planters. Now, a lot of us have been complaining about the planters drying out really fast, and I must agree that it had happened to me as well. However, I am currently out here now. I am about to fill up 1, 2, 3 stackable planters with soil to start planting up my garden. And as a matter of fact, I already drilled holes in all of these, but let me show you all something. These planters, they come with 3 sections in each hole, each sides. 1, 2, 3. And if we punch out all 3 of the holes, guys, why do we think that the water is going to stay in the planter? It is not going to stay in the planter. Not going to stay in there. So when I observed the planter sections, I noticed that this is the part here, down in here where the 3 sections are to punch the holes, it is like a little reservoir. So I did not punch the holes in those 3 sections. I only punched 1 hole in the middle section along with the one in the middle here. I believe that that is enough drainage for these stackable planters. Yes, I believe it is enough holes for the stackable planters, because if we punch all 3 plus the one in the middle, how is this planter going to retain the water that is gonna be in there after we water the plants? So going forward, guys, I am not going to be punching all 3 holes. I am just going to put 1 hole. All right, see that water there right now? Look at that. It's all drained out, and when it's drained out, there is a little bit left in the side section. That would be like our little reservoir. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing, guys. I'm not going to be punching holes in all 3 holes because I need my planters to retain water. I don't want to be coming out here every day to be watering whatever I'm going to plant in here. No. This high efficiency small space garden is for me to save time, save money, and work smarter, not harder. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. Punching the hole in the middle. That's all I'm going to be doing, guys. That's all I'm going to be doing going forward. Save time, save money, and save a little bit of water in our stackable planter. So guys, let us stop blaming the stackable planters, because they are not the fault. We are the ones that is punching all the holes. Even though they said that our containers must have good drainage, but say for example we are going to be planting something like bok choy or celery or something else that loves a lot of water, we don't really have to punch all the holes in this thing here. Especially look at this big hole right here. You mean to tell me that this is not enough drainage for the water to run out? I think it is. I really think it is. So I am now checking to see if I have holes in all of the sections, and these ones look okay. I didn't remember if I had punched the holes in these ones. So I went ahead and I punched a hole in this one, and I believed another one then, but then when I checked the bottom section, I noticed that I have holes in them, so these are okay. Now let's check on these ones over here. I just drilled some holes in them and they look okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so I didn't drill any hole in this one. So let's put a hole in the bottom of this one, guys. That's all I'm going to be doing going forward to retain water in my stackable planters. So now all of them have holes in them. I am going to fill them up to start planting in them. All right, my peeps, so thank you so much for coming along with me on this little video to help us grow a thriving garden with these little garden hacks. Okay, so for those of you who is just joining me for the very first time, I am the Glades Garden Girl growing over here in Zone 10A, Florida. I am currently growing in let me see, 98% container, because I have 2 sections right now that I'm still growing in the ground. Now, my number one priority on this channel is for us to save as much as we can as we grow as much as we can. So if you love to save money, if you have a small space garden, whether it's on your patio, your balcony, in your apartment, on your veranda, your house top, wherever you have it, guys, wherever you have it, come back and visit the channel to see some of the ideas that I am using over here to maximize my space and grow a whole lot of food in a very small space. I do have a big backyard, but I do not use my entire backyard. I'm only using a fraction of it to grow my high efficiency garden. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I am going to fill up my containers now so I can start grow. See you next time in another video. Bye bye.